So a nice option to add to your Google project is adding a shape or a line. And there's two places you could do this from. You could do it from this little icon down at the bottom of the map, or you go to New Feature and draw a line or shape. So I'm going to start on Lincoln Memorial, and I'm going to end it at the MLK Memorial. Notice I created the line. I'm going to hit Enter to save that line. And I'm going to have to title it. So I'm going to title it and notice it goes to the bottom of my presentation or my project, so I may want to reorder it. So I'm going to drop it. I'm also going to reorder some of my other things. So if I start it at the Lincoln Memorial, there it is. The next stop would be the line. So it zooms out to show me the path. And I like to have the path from a higher vantage point rather than being up close. So keep that in mind when you make your line. And then I'm going to do MLK Memorial. So you may want to make separate lines or shapes in between your stops just to help give a visual representation to your audience.